Listen, bro, forget everything for a few minutes. Don't scroll. Don't check your phone. Just listen to my voice. October's gone, November has begun, and there are only 60 days left before 2025 ends. And the truth is, you're still stuck where you were last year. Same room, same habits, same overthinking, same excuses, and the same lie. I'll start from tomorrow. Every December brings that same fake hope. This time, from January 1st, everything will change. But does it really, number? Because you're living in an illusion, the illusion of next year will be my year. The reality is simple. If you don't change in these 60 days, nothing magical will happen on January 1st. Only the calendar will change. You won't. You don't lack talent, you lack action. You're a master at thinking, planning, and watching productivity videos, but terrible at actually taking steps forward. Progress begins where comfort ends. Your phone, your bed, your laziness, these are your prison. Think of this as the final round of a race. 60 days, one last chance. Either you give your all or you quit. The choice is yours. Step 1. Pick only one or two goals. Don't try to fix everything at once. Focus beats motivation every single time. Step 2. Set your daily non-negotiables, like a 30-minute workout, 2 hours of focused study without your phone, and no phone for the first hour after waking up. When you keep your own promises, you build self-trust, and that trust becomes your power. Step 3. No excuse mode. That voice inside you saying, "I'll start tomorrow," or "I'm not in the mood." That's your real enemy. When your mind says tomorrow, say now. When it says I'm tired, say just 10 more minutes. Step 4. Cut your time wasters by 50%. Netflix, Reels, gaming, reduce it all by half. You'll be shocked to find 2 to 3 extra hours in your day, and those hours will change your life. Step 5. Small steps. Aim to be 1% better every day. If you did 20 push-ups yesterday, do 21 today. Consistency is always stronger than motivation. The first 15 days will feel like hell. Your body, your mind, everything will resist. But that's the real test. The ones who survive that phase win. Now imagine this. The morning of January 1st, 2026. Everyone's posting "New Year, New Me." They're still making plans. And you're already 60 days ahead. Disciplined, confident, transformed. So no more lies, no more delays. Start today, start now, this very moment. Because if you conquer these next 60 days, no year ahead will ever be able to defeat you.